Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing and organizing quickly so you can work without interruptions. Connect your iPhone, camera, or SD card and open Photos, then choose Import to copy originals into your library. Once done, enable iCloud Photos in Photos Preferences if you want seamless syncing. This keeps changes consistent across devices. Make albums immediately with File New Album, so images are grouped for editing and sharing. This saves time later and prevents duplicate work when you begin adjusting. Now focus on detailed edits, metadata, and smart organization so your library stays useful. Open a photo and click Edit. Crop, use auto, adjust exposure, color, and apply filters. You can always revert to keep the original file. Tag people with faces and add locations or keywords in the info pane to make searching instant. Create smart albums that auto-collect photos by criteria like date, keyword, or camera model, and run duplicate detection to merge or remove repeats for a tidy library. Finish by exporting and sharing correctly, then verify everything synced. Select photos and use file export to choose JPEG/PNG/HEIC, resolution, and metadata settings so recipients get the right files. For quick sharing, use AirDrop or shared albums and manage permissions for contributors. If something goes wrong, like missing edits or sync failures, first check iCloud storage and your internet, then quit and reopen Photos. And if needed, sign out and back into iCloud. This often forces a library resync and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.